Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my online friends and viewers. Now this is Shah speaking in front of you. Thank you for Selim sir for giving me this floor. Now I share with you an English speech by Melind. Friends, so let's get started. At first, she says about her story, and at first she thanked her father and her mother, and she says that her father always supported her. Her father says that you were the one, you were the best in this occasion, and she thanked her father and she loved her father. And her mother name is Alina, friends, who always supported and motivated her, and she struggled for her good job and her good life, and she get a good job and a good position. She always says that trust yourself, because trust is the one who helped you. And she always trusts herself, and she teach us that you are the best and you are the one who is this occasion. She says that you don't listen people discussing words, because they are try to many problem of your mind. Please listen your mind and your heart. She also listen her family and her father and mother, and she also listen her mind, because her mind also tried to her in this occasion. This video about that her graduation in the Stanford University. She graduated her graduation in Stanford University. She at first says that her university is very good and praised her university. She says that our university is very beautiful and our university campus is very nice, and she says that our university have many wonderful teachers who teach all of students in warmly. She says that many people try to discourage you, but you don't listen their word. Many people try to say that you are not good, you are bad, you are not perfect in this good, anything is etc. Please don't listen their discussing word, and try to listen your mind, because your mind says that you are the good and you are the best. So she says that how can she do her good position. So I understand that she is very good and a very intelligent woman, and she is very hopeful woman and grateful woman. That's all my information. Stay with me in the next performance. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.